Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Monika and I'm from Ners Poltekkes, Kemenkes, Semarang. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk about cough and sneeze etiquette. Firstly, I will talk about definition of cough and sneeze. I'd just like to give you some background information. Cough and sneeze. Cough is the body defense mechanism in the respiratory tract and is a symptom of disease or the body's reaction to irritation in the throat due to mucus, dust, smoke, and so on. Sneezing is a mechanism used by the body to clear the nose or one of the body's first defense against various things that can harm the body. This leads to my next point, which is etiquette. Etiquette is a norm of rule that applies to society sneezing and coughing. Etiquette is an important way to control the spread of infection at its source. Next, why should there be cough and sneeze etiquette? The release of virus of germs occurred when coughing. Viruses and germs can spread through the air. What is the purpose of coughing and sneezing etiquette? First, prevent the spread of pathogenic microorganisms. 2. In order not to transmit a disease to people around. 3. Provide comfort and security to those around you. And the last, prevent the spread of the virus. Next, wrong cough and sneeze etiquette. Cough covered with hand. Cough and sneeze without being covered. Not wearing a mask. Next, proper cough and sneeze etiquette. First, cover your nose and mouth using yourself when you cough and sneeze. 2. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when coughing and sneezing. 3. Use a mask when coughing and sneezing. Don't forget to always wash your hands in 6 steps using soap and running water. The time is 14 to 16 seconds and use hand rub for 20 to 13 seconds. And don't forget to throw the used tissue in the trash. To sum up, it's very important for us to apply cough and sneeze etiquette as the key in breaking the chain of disease transmission, because the virus must have come from another patient who has previously infected. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. After this presentation, you can watch an animated video about coughing and sneezing etiquette. Happy watching, guys! See you!